request Mr. Rajib Ghosh, GM Marketing of BFW, whom we have here amongst us because he has faced although he could not give any presentation here, but as we have got him over here, so that's why I would request him to come over the dais and take his seat, so that at the end of the session I would request him to give at least a brief presentation about BFW, which will help us, all the foundries, people who are over here, they can understand about their contribution to the foundry industry.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I thank you very much for the EASCON team to give an opportunity in the last point. Because from the very morning when I was going through these presentations, I was seeing all these things. Cost of production should be low, productivity should be increased. But where this productivity, how after increasing the productivity, where the material will go? Who will purchase your material? Unless and until you are making the finished products. Today's trend is without finished components, machine components, your customer is not going to purchase this thing. Okay. Where is the answer? Answer is BFW. I'll just quick through the BFW. We are the largest machine tool manufacturer in India, situated in Bangalore, and recently one more plant is set up in Hosur. That is, these presentations I will not go through that one by one, you can see that. These are milestones. We have started in 1961 and we are 60 years company. This year, last year we have celebrated 60 years. These are our people, 1500 professionals or technical professionals who are working. We have two manufacturing locations, mainly foundry is in Hosur, and recently we have started the manufacturing facilities in Hosur also, and manufacturing facility in Bangalore, Kenya. These are presence in India and abroad. That we are technology offerings because this castings, components, whatever the product you are manufacturing, it has to go either milling or turning or multitasking or any other special purpose machines, that is the turning solutions. These are product range. We are giving the turning machines, CNC turning, CNC milling, CNC machining center, horizontal machining center, vertical machining center, special purpose machines. These are horizontal machining center setup because nowadays there's all this automobile manufacturer, even this casting suppliers, they are going for forward integrations for supplying this finished product with horizontal and vertical machining center. These are total turning solutions from the small and large sector. This is a SPM, special purpose machine, custom built machine that also we are manufacturing for a long time. Turnkey solutions from your raw material to finished products, we are dealing with different type of machines in the combination of turning, milling, pouring, everything. Continuously we are progressing with our design. Recently, now the thing is that we know that how to reduce the cost of the component and how to reduce the how to increase the productivity, but how to measure. For that only, we have developed our own Iris software, where it will be maintained. It can be mounted in your foundry also. It can be mounted in your machines also. Anything we can integrate it from your table desk. You can see what is your production rate, where production has been gone down or increased. Everything you can notice it. Even that robotic automation also we are offering. This is our design strength. These are certifications, whatever you have received. Society also we are taking care. These are partners, industrial sectors, and this is thank you very much.
It was a very value-added product, that's why we wanted to have his presentation at the
all over this
Eastern India, all those foundries.
All the foundry manufacturers in Eastern India, they are 100% our machines only. Because it requires for the pattern.
They are going for new high value casting products, they have to go for this forward integration. So that's why we
One
wanted
thing is
to have
forward
this
integration, another thing is that reduced cost of production. For that you have to go for pattern making. Old generation pattern making is that the conventional method. Now it is in CNC, VNC. We can make the pattern faster. It has to be there. All the foundry members has to be the pattern making on their own. Otherwise you cannot make your production rate high.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ghosh. Thank you for your presentation.
Thank you.
And with this, I would like to end this session. And I would like to thank all these eminent speakers who will enlighten us with their deliberation. We didn't have time for the question and answer, but they are available here. If anybody wants to get any clarification, they can interact with them personally and clarify their queries. Thank you all.